Indoor plants for decorating small spaces. String of pearls. With its cascading tendrils adorned with small spherical leaves, this trailing succulent creates a mesmerizing effect in any small space. The string of pearls is a drought-tolerant plant that prefers bright, indirect light and well-draining soil. Hang it in a macrame planter or place it on a high shelf to showcase its captivating beauty. Baby rubber plant. This compact plant features thick, glossy leaves adding a pop of color to your apartment. The baby rubber plant thrives in moderate to low light conditions and requires infrequent watering. Place it on a windowsill or a small side table to enjoy its charm. Zebra Haworthia. This small succulent showcases striking dark green leaves with wide horizontal stripes resembling a zebra pattern. The zebra haworthia is a resilient plant that thrives in bright indirect light and well-draining soil. Its compact size and low maintenance needs make it an excellent addition to small apartments. Bird's nest fern. With its lush wavy fronds that resembles a bird nest, this fern brings a tropical touch to your indoor space. The bird nest fern prefers moderate to bright indirect light and enjoys a slightly humid environment. Place it on a bathroom shelf or near a humidifier to provide the optimal conditions for the beautiful fern to thrive. Phalaenopsis orchid. Miniature orchids such as Phalaenopsis species are ideal for small apartments. These orchids feature stunning blooms in a variety of colors. They require filtered light, moderate humidity, and careful watering. Phalaenopsis orchid can be displayed on windowsills, shelves, or as hanging plants. Fittonia. Fittonia, also called nerve plant, is a small tropical plant with beautiful pattern leaves in shades of green, white or pink. It's bright indirect light and requires consistency moist soil. Fittonia's compact size and colorful foliage make it an excellent choice for small apartments, especially in hanging basket. Ponytail palm. The ponytail palm is an interesting and unique plant that features a bulbous trunk and long arching leaves. Despite its name, it is not a true palm but rather a succulent. It thrives in bright light conditions and requires infrequent watering. The ponytail palm compact size and striking appearance make it a captivating focal point in small apartments. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.